This is the XDS test channel from Westwood One Technical Operations Center in Purchase, New York.
This is a test of NOAA radio's warning alarm device and is being run in conjunction with the routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Butte, Glen, Western Plymouth, Shasta, Vicinity. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. The forecast for the central Sacramento Valley, including Chico and Oroville and Yuba City today, mostly sunny. Highs around 97. Northwest winds up to 10 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows around 64. South winds up to 10 miles an hour, shifting to the north after midnight. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs 85 to 91. South winds up to 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, mostly clear. Cooler. Western Plymouth, Sacramento, San Joaquin, Sierra, Solano, Stanislaus, Sutter, Tehama, Tuolumne, Yolo, and Yuba. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. This has been a test of NOAA radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. Shifting to the southwest in the afternoon. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows 42 to 52 higher elevations, 47 to 57 lower elevations. Prevailing south winds up to 15 miles an hour.
Almost had a perfect activation. Holy crap, can't even read that. What the heck? No, the screen's not dead, it's just the way that the iPhone is but yeah, you can't really see it, but in person I can see it. I can see that it received both tests. One is at 11:25 and the other one is at 11:29. It's just that again the iPhone has a weird setting with the trying to focus. Unfortunately, the Sanjin did not activate because WWF 67 was kind of crap, but still got it anyways. Minus the, so it would have been almost a perfect activation. Again, since the WWF 67 was crap, the Sandgene didn't activate. Kind of curious. Okay. Why am I shaking? There we go. Oh, surprisingly, no message glitch occurred. Meaning the statement light would stay on. You already know. You already know what I'm talking about, so I don't have to repeat. Then KCBU failed because there was no audio. I need to pick this up before I step on it and hurt myself. Anyways, I guess I better resume working on some videos. Hope you guys enjoyed this RWT video. And yeah.